One of the very best features of the AI agent is its ability to read and write cloud code, so you can use it to fix, improve, and document the cloud code for you. And if you're going to write cloud code through the AI agent, it's always a good idea to clone your app into a new one so you can test it out without the risk of compromising your production app. I already did that. I created a new app called Optimize Cloud Code underline backup. You can do that by going to App Settings, Server Settings. Here on Core Settings, click Settings. Scroll all the way down and then click Clone App. Then you can clone it to a new app and then use the AI agent on this new app so you can experiment as much as you want without compromising the original production app. So in this app, I deployed the cloud code that I have in my production app, which links accounts by using social data. So this is a cloud code function that I created called link accounts. It gets Google, or Apple, or Facebook data and tries to merge it all into a parse user. But as you can see, there is no documentation in this cloud code function, and I'm going to use the cloud code function to document this function for me. So I'm going to go to the AI agent. You can click this link up here, but I have it open on another screen. So I'm going to click create new agent, and in here I'm going to specify exactly what I want. So in my Back4app account, there's an app named Optimize Cloud Code underline backup. In this app, I have a cloud code function named link users. I'll double check if the name is correct. It's link accounts actually. Link accounts. Please write comments on relevant operations in this cloud code function. So hopefully this will understand my prompt, get into my cloud code function and redocument it for me, making it much easier to document everything, and again, saving a lot of time for me because I don't have to document it myself. So as you can see, it rewrote all the function, adding some relevant comments in here, but it didn't deploy it as far as I can see. So let's refresh this and see if it was updated. Perhaps I need to ask. No, it was not updated. I need to ask the AI agent to deploy those comments for me. So now deploy this updated commented function to replace the older uncommented one. So Cloud Code changes were successfully deployed. If we go back to our Cloud Code section and refresh, now my Cloud Code is fully documented, but we can also use it to improve this Cloud Code function and actually change it the way we want. So as you can see right now, I'm returning the saved user, but I really don't want that. I want to retrieve the session token for this user so I can use it to impersonate the user in the front end. So back to our code, let's ask it to change it, the return from saved user to the session of that saved user. Now please change the return saved user to instead return that user's session token. And now the link account was deployed, so let's check the changes that the AI agent did on it. So if I just refresh this page and go to main.js again, as you can see, it's now returning the session token for a user called logged user. This looks good, it works the way I expect it to do. Now we can also add some try-catch blocks into this code to ensure all operations are covered. So let's go back to the AI agent and ask it to replace all operations that could potentially fail to a try-catch block. So please revise all operations in this cloud code function that potentially could fail and rewrite those in try catch blocks. Ensure if it enters a catch, the message is very descriptive. And there we go, I can see a lot of try-catch blocks that now validates all operations that I have inside my Cloud Code function. So this is a very simple example of what you can do, because you can actually have the AI agent to work all Cloud Code for you as long as you can describe what you're trying to achieve. It's very fast, it's very efficient, and produces very good solutions. So I invite you to try out the AI agent in Back4app and see the wonders it can do on your existing or new cloud code. So, if you enjoyed this content, please leave a like in this video and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you are a subscriber, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or an implementation you'd like to see, please leave in the comment section down below, we always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon! Bye bye!